This is a video focusing on the changes to library resources for the spring 2011 semester. The biggest change you'll notice is in your pipeline in the library tab. We had 3 columns here of information. Now we have tabs for you to click on. It looks like it's a lot less information, but really it's the same as what was in the older page. If you need a book, there's the online catalog tab with links to the different campus catalogs and to the Kansas Library catalog. If you need a journal title, you can type in the journal title. You can browse for a journal with the A to Z list. If you need a database, you can click on databases, and you see the 6 main databases that are general. They're the popular ones that everyone uses, so they're still right here. If you need something more specialized or a different database, you can click the databases A to Z or databases by subject. I'm going to look at a couple changes in the databases. First is opposing viewpoints. If you pull up an article or essay in Opposing Viewpoints, you'll notice after this title it'll have a little icon. If I hover over that, it says that the content level is intermediate. So you know what difficulty level of the article or essay is. If you see a red triangle, that means it's easy. A blue dot means that it's a more advanced article or essay. You can also listen to the article instead of reading it. If you click on listen, someone will read it to you. Other databases are doing this, such as EBSCO. If you pull up an article in EBSCO and it's an HTML full text article, you can scroll down and you can listen to the article.
It didn't used to be this way. For much of the 20th century, especially in East Texas, the pursuit of a smaller creature, the squirrel, dwarfed deer hunting in importance.
You can change the
I started squirrel hunting just in this.
You can change the accent. You can change the reading speed, and you can also download it onto an MP3 player or iPod and listen to it, so you don't have to be at your computer to listen to it. Another new service is using visual searching, and that is in Credo, and it's not in this 6, so I go to the databases A to Z, click on C, and go to Credo Reference. Credo Reference has reference books, and it also links to articles and other books. But we're going to click on the concept map and do a search. Here's the map. You can move it around. And what this is doing is, from global warming, it's giving you some ideas of how to focus your search or give you some other ideas of research. So you can click and it's going to focus the map around it. It's going to give you an entry if you hover over any of these to go to and to give you more information. And again, from there you can find books and articles. I'm going to head back to Pipeline. The last thing I want to show you is the subject guides. If you are in a class and want to have easy access to different types of research, or for example use psychology, you can use one of the subject guides. It immediately gives you different news-breaking stories on psychology, but then you can click on the different tabs to find books, articles from the databases, internet sources, videos, and also podcasts to listen to, and then any help that you may need. We are adding more and more of these as we go, so you'll see these changing. You'll see other things changing as you go through the semester. The databases will have some new changes. We will be making new changes to Pipeline. So stay tuned for new things with the library resources.